get some in now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so you. Baby, baby,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Success aka Saucy Spicy, and I welcome you specially to this channel. So guys, very shortly we will be unboxing a LED light and a wireless microphone that I got from Jumia. So I ordered the lights for I got the light for 32,000 naira and the microphone for 8,000 naira. So my reason of getting this LED light, because I have a ring light, my reason of getting this LED light is that it has batteries that you can charge and use for later. Okay, so the ring light, I can only use it when there is NEPA light or when the generator is being turned on. So that's why, like, the LED light is a very good one. So if you are looking to start up your channel or you're a beginner like me, you need these two things. Like, they are basic things, not just these two things, there are other things, but to me, like, if you have money, like a small amount of money to begin with first, you should go for these two things: lightning and a microphone. All right, so guys, let's get into the unboxing process. But before then, guys, like I said, I'm a beginner. I made a lot of errors in that unboxing something, so please just ignore the errors. All right, just so if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, like, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video to encourage me to do more videos. And yeah, drop a comment in the comment section. And touch the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I love you.
Let's do the unboxing. So first of all, guys, this is it. Okay, so this is it that came with it, and this hair is actually disturbing, and this is the wireless microphone. So guys, let's do the unbox. To unbox this stuff, which one should we start with? Okay, let's start with this mic. So to unbox it, I couldn't find the scissors, but I got this key holder. This is my shop key. In case you don't know, I run a small provision shop, so I'm a petty trader. Don't loud it. I don't know if you guys can see. So okay, unboxing process. Like, guys, I received this package since last week and I've been waiting for the right time to unbox it with you guys. Like, I've been waiting patiently. So guys, I've opened it. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to okay, so this is it. All right. Still going to tear. I have to tear it off. Okay, now I just got to. Oh wow, guys, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to clip this to my clothes. Okay, so this is how this one is looking like. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is how it is looking like. Okay, and this one is the one I'll plug to my phone, and I'll clip this one to my shirt. Okay, my loves, let's start making use of this microphone. First of all, let me clip it to my shirt and plug this one straight to this place. Okay, better work. I don't even know. This mic that I clipped to my clothes has not been, I don't know, producing sound. Maybe there is the way they set it or something, and everything I've been saying, like I've been oh god, like I'm so tired. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Touch the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Encourage me by liking this video, by liking my video, dropping a comment in the comment section below, and yeah, sharing this video as well. Thank you so much, guys. I am going out now, and I'll probably talk to you guys when I come back. That is, we still have light. Love you guys.
Them other girls want me, but like you, I want to know, I don't know. Shady not this kind thing with tomato, oh no, no. Not the little things you do make me no, 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 no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby, come, oh girl, I want make me there. I feel like making you, oh no, no. I feel like making you, oh baby, I know, no, no.
You guys, I'm back. So guys, okay guys, I went out and I'm back. I'm hungry and I want to make something to eat, so I'll probably make noodles to eat. It's actually evening, so I'll make noodles.
That's where I go, my own. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic.